Say in film making, no, the first most important thing is the script, and the second most important thing is the script. And even before we were going to say you are going on set, and I say, oh, be factory, we need equipment, and any other, no, what target no should be your script. And the script, no, it determine the outcome of the film. The scene no ebeye. Make a script I know a story na work no enti no say story no enya the possibility say the enkofo be hwe on screen or on TV no so no enye enti na I think say it's high time or say you professional writers or script writers, but your problem you have in the industry, no, and say most of the producers, don't employ professional script writers. Well, it could be sikasem because we said writing idea be a mind demand say what dream no a mind engaging into no na adwuma bi you need to take your time obi adwen say wo kotena sia na wo twere wo di banko entelapia na me wo dana so daya the obu ehunu hu ya no watch was a story and I say a film. No, it's a sequential arrangement of events. So you need experts. Say expert no better than but in most cases, what we see and I said the experts expensive. So oh na say the story the fan say no you will be on so adwuma no what specialize so metre story. Unless we get division of labor in the industry no bo hu enipa ba akopɛ ɔno nko agye adwuma bɛ 4 5 no nko ɛyɛ adan a ɔmpɛ sɛ obobetu aka amanipa bɛ miɛnsa na sɛ nan na we adi bi na ɔn sɛ division of labor no ɛnso da ni yɛ industry ɛna ya affect yɛ bi a wadi banko entelapia wadi na hem na anwumrɛ odi ya no koda and the possibility say obeso die no e great what I say also die now store bi pa minya ya oboa it could even be hallucination obi ti minya hallucination or say hey masa nema mi hu ye no story even story the kwa wodi aba no arrangement no nipa obe arrangement no na anko yi a na you move no so no enko yi no still I don't hear obi obe arrange adin some can say a systematic arrangement and I say sequential arrangement of events say was a story no what say ya no what and I say buy ya na ba nti say yenkotwa we hear obi a obe arrange no step by step, scene by scene, event by event what you can see any for it to make sense. Akan na de we dey o ma brand ni nyina Kumawood. When it comes to the educational aspect, most of them maybe are school. And that's what a lot of people don't know. It be at Brofopa. Some people like Emilia Brobe, Wakwako University near the Adina, Matilda Asari has been a graduate. But I say, I say I'm attractive. And I make us say a foundation be a Nkrofobi ele to one AD. So say film making does not necessarily need professionals to do. To now say a BNS Jack was over Legon, what call Legon School of Performance. What call School of Performance, then you never good was over your actress. What about a person or child say? Or no crowd or so GP SNO because ABR only to me ya dear in the passery on and one sent one what your own yes maybe you are that kind of a serious actor no no also on compu AGP SNO into no that can speaking no in fact a qualification and in fact in general no a film acting nakasano in fact qualification and by idea at least you say it is an industry on its own that should also have regulations say no matter what at least people with degrees or a certificate should be ranked and I said or say it's me rate or more classify once the person has a qualification say even when you go to the banks and if you are TV stations and any idea fine we say your the kind of qualification you have can even determine your pay. But in the film in the industry, no, your qualification or your degree do not determine your pay. What I say, your pay increases as to how famous or popular you become. If you are a director, it depends on how your movies becomes a hit, how your movies are hitting. And you know, if you say I am a degree holder, I have a certificate, you know, the film making does not operate on those rules unless maybe you go to the America, the Hollywoods and other things. Even in Nigeria there is professionalism. So when I say material can say a very good say very adopted from yes, because you can Nigeria for us any other day. You see somebody like Mr. Ibu or you see somebody like Mr. Ibu and he has a degree. Wow, and Mr. Ibu Beye film I think say Kumasi. And he interviewed in Boss FM. And what he said, and I said, if Senka a Jack Wone Lewemono, Omutimi school kakra, they can go international. Because yes, because he be say na adabena the artist in Subiti Mako international before Mako Nigeria near the other. No say Obuko ni omu edi and common to say their level of education in the acting no it's not there, it's just the talent and raw hand so or share almost a talent in a cromana. I had school kakra. They could go far than what they are now. You know, that's why I keep on saying, say that assertion, say Jacko can say Okore Legon Dan Krana Yenimwa Nienimo and your school na ye DSN Obi or can be a boy. In short, make you say lack of education, so can be an idea because I said the founding fathers of the industry, you know, or especially when it comes to Akan, you know, the fund or Diabro kakra in some way because they did not a man nesikawo a human no sen community classify and you may be no more set standard. But those standard, no, they didn't set any standard. They were just thinking about their money. Almost come the same, know how much omonia. They are not really thinking about say in future, no, it be a time will come when you might need a certain level of education to get to the to be able to get to the to get to the digital era, and as to be able to meet the demands of the changing industry. Now the industry is changing now, and now we've been affected. Now market is bad. What I say, market is bad, and the money crana the no more now more day yes, the money too is no more there, because now we've reached a stage whereby education has become very important. Now we are shooting cinema films. So for cinema films, if you are not educated, one goes maybe directing, screenplay, and other things. How are you able to shoot a cinema film to meet the digital migration, and also to meet the changing trend in the film industry now? Now you can't just do movie and put it on VCD again. So they were just don't limit to the VCD market alone. So because at that time no sikeba. So this I'm a producer. As a producer, I'm an investor. My ultimate aim is to make profits, and that's so no structures. So I said organized structures when they were building the foundations of the Kumawood.
So not that kind of actors though, guys.
Yeah.
Would you say almost one in some way, because Actors Guild didn't yet say they may better the lives of a woman. It is an Actors Guild and to me who say, okay, a time will come and normal be changing. So if you are a member, we will encourage you to go back to school and learn, upgrade. If you're a producer, we will encourage you to go for a fresher courses near there. Then what is the importance of the group? Yeah,
I say, I make us say, I'm paying for no bebreno. Bebre, I'm going to say, a time will come, crana, a beer, umbits, my human umbits, my frame. Because it's just like say oh bobo o na mubua and one will carry a and they are no obia was season out me so as an actor or as an artist until not at that time not the actors no shut that and also until it was just this coffee and they be and they thought that they were going to be the only people in the system so until how many now a lot of young and energetic and equally talented people, especially with the coming of the concert party people, when the Jacos and the Che West and the Santos and those people, now after the industry, the face of the industry, because now the trend has nothing to do with even education. So who will even encourage you to go and waste your time to go to school? And those people too, when they came, who say raw at times some concert party they buy and the be ama industry ejina.
There's the advent of concert party stars so
as some women ko kan me man kan for ahwe but say headline or say Frank Gabin said the coming of the concert party, people not killed the Kumawood film industry.
No, but if it didn't kill it, it contributed.
Yes, it's contributed. You see, the number percent mentioned and then say, who said first, no, now yeah, films no share my made or chromo time, David Don Tomone at the other. Basically, no, because the language was in English, so they give you a script. You follow the script. You don't beat about the bush so much. We have a role specially designed for a comedian. Maybe he's a gate man, he's a houseboy, he's this, he's that. You see, but when and then at that time you can't just go and pick any director at all. Because those were the times Veronica Naimone, these directors, the NAFTI directors were very, very active.
Trained ones.
Oh, yes, very, 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 very trained ones. And so these were the people who were handling the production. That time, I said before, say you are a director. No? And you want to say yes, what being. So, yes, but concert party for no ebe gumo. Now, if you are question, oh, one more than a quadia, we script and a crowd, moment to maintain. Enjoy the noise, oh, there, or jot to points no down, or can now catch on my day, or my journey bedding. After the win, they say, oh, then yes, yet, or a poplar. Say rule fatano, say fatano, lead rule or say or play. But normally, you sit down comedians and play lead roles. I mean, serious lead roles, because they will end up turning the seriousness of the story into comedy. But at that time, it's we and I was so on our nitty to swa yet, and the producers were not considering the role and the personality. Into whether if you are a director, you are forced to follow what the producers are saying. Because what's the name of the music?
There's a producers in comedy, bro.
Producers in the say 50. Let me give it 40%, 40% or more diablo. Because they were really insisting. Because as a director, wouldn't be argument, sir, wouldn't be say, oh, row way there, they assume see, oh, so for that, and a row way there, and fitino, would the way, the row no will be like a romantic row. Maybe also a romantic row, yamfa. Me person me bo obedient, but I know say you understand what I mean. Also yamfa assume sing it. Oh, to say I did song. I don't know so on one. Oh, so on one the pe. Because there even came a time a producer will come on set. Or Bana se be a comedian be here in the concert na wakasa manabro so bit me kasa me say what bodam me kwaba obehu. Or kwan wo wase ba me say what bodam me kwaba obehu. No asiaba. What's the same thing? So as a director, if you can first or second one, or what catch say papa, yeah. What I say, police and Johnson they be Jaro non kana for pe. What I say, Entenon crow for penno, like I say, which means amount for so Eddie Abrobi. What I say, it is a blame. Yes, the people to our most so they are to be blamed because instead of looking for the story, and I said the brand of the company, you say, oh, me pay the Jacuti Edaso, me pay the Lewen a woman, me pay say, and they don't really look out for story. We go quite tight on him, and also buy Charlie fresh one be my. Oh, me pay the acrobat womb. Oh, say my miss, say what woman quan there. What I said. So this is the way Ghanaians first to talk. Sini. Internet be man a system no e say to the extent say me as a producer no me here the amount for ne pay. What I say. We a director crowd there why we a director who ko pesca say bia we pay yam tum kakramano. Producer be catch you say massa we tin da ade no so